going on, Hey, what's going on, my gamers out there? It's Preston Games, and welcome back to another game. And so, basically, fidget spinners are like blowing up, not like literally, but all over YouTube. And so, my friend, Nikki, he actually has a YouTube channel about fidget spinners, and I'm gonna put that down in like, below, so you should check that out. He showed me this game, and basically, it's a fidget spinner game, of course. And let me turn up my volume here real quick. And basically what you do is just, Jesus, that was horrible. And you just kind of spin it. And basically you get coins as you go along. And the more spins you have, the more coins you get. And basically you can also upgrade your fidget spinner. So you got 23 coins, 23 spins. And I can already upgrade my stuff. Boom. You know what? Huh. Oh, sorry guys for the hold up. I had to take my phone case off because my like it blocked my spin things, whatever, so I couldn't spin it to the max. There we go. That's much better. And boom. Yeah, that's not the best. Woo! Down below if you have a fidget spinner at home. I don't have fidget spinner yet because I'm not that into them, but if you guys want this to be a series, then oh my god, and like the video down below. I'm gonna try to get a high speed or something. I think that's one of those things that you can do. Oh, there we go. Dang, it's still not leveled up. It's still not leveled up yet. I'm gonna increase my speed. Yes. Yes! Yeah, and as you go along, you get to gain coins. Oop, I think I leveled up. Now I got a new fidget spinner. Well, let me get these coins. I got those coins. No, not yet. Okay. Jeez, that was the worst spin ever. Eventually, I'll get like super leveled up and everything, and I'll get better spins and everything like that. But so far, I'm just in the beginning. Oh, looks like I leveled up again. Ooh, I got a shuriken. I was like, ooh, 1,000 coins. We got that. Ooh. Let me upgrade this stuff. Ooh, I got a new item. Okay, 50 spins. An owl. That's cool. Ooh, I like this better. Nice. Okay. So now, wait. Now I have a shuriken. Oh. That looks deception. Oh wait, it just worked. That I don't think that can happen in real life. Oh, this is minutes. I thought this is miles per hour. I'm like, geez, this thing's spinning like 400 miles per hour. I'm like, what? No, I'm not gonna share that. Nope, no, stop. Ooh, this one's way better. I like this one. Except that it sounds like white noise. like this. Ooh. I'm setting up my spinner speed again, so I'm gonna do that. And can I customize it? Anything? Nope. I have to grease up my wheels more. On the iPad version, my spinner is like, it goes up to like 800 miles per hour once you spin it, and it gets like 200 spins every single time. It's pretty dope. I see these Instagram ads on the bottom, and it makes me want to buy it, get it, not buy it, but get it so bad. But my mom says that I shouldn't go and stuff like that. And she says, "Oh, I'll probably get in trouble." Like, because I most likely will. A billion downloads. Ooh, ooh, wait. Come on, can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? No, there's no way. Wait, there's a chance. Yes, let's go. Oh yeah, I probably leveled up. It's been. Alright. Yep, I think I like. Yep, I leveled up. What is this? I have to test this. Oh, it's not. It's not any different. Okay, it's pretty. It's pretty weird looking. I have to say, it's pretty strange. But no, no. Ooh, I got a new item. Free. A bow tie. Oh, it's better than nothing. I guess. I'm gonna get these 4,000 points. I think from that thing are like 0. What are that? Wait, no, use my custom. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was such a bad spin. And wait. I'm spinning. This ended, man. This ended. Okay. Oh, there we go. I went to try to get to like 557 minutes per second. I have no idea what it is. Because then you get yeah, 576. No, I'm not gonna watch your ads. Oh my god, that was horrible. I think I've reached it. No, no, I didn't. I didn't. Okay. I might have. Ads. No. I hate ads. They just annoy you. There is nothing.